All right, what's going on, everyone? I know that we've all been talking about ChatGPT, and if you are in sales right now, and this is the first video, or you've been playing around with it, ChatGPT is your cheat code, okay? I mean, I have never seen anything like this. I mean, obviously in my life, and trust me, I've demoed hundreds of sales tools that will help you to write a better email, help you to do a better XYZ or match somebody's sentiment. There is nothing that compares to this, okay? So I'm gonna give you, again, over the series of videos, I'm gonna do 2 or 3 videos on this. Make sure, if this is helpful, to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment. I love the comments as well. Well, most of them. But number one, the easiest way to use ChatGPT to get more meetings is this right here. Type in trends in, let's say, whatever industry you sell into, or maybe you're a CEO or entrepreneur, and you sell into, I don't know, plumbing. I don't care who you sell into, industrial manufacturing. Go type in trends in industrial manufacturing in 2023. Increased adoption of Industry 4.0 technologies such as IoT, greater use of automation and robotics, more widespread adoption of 3D printing, growing interest in sustainable manufacturing progress. It literally gave me 9. So if you're trying to book meetings, you're like, hey, what's the hook? How can I get more meetings with these people? Just have ChatGPT do it for you. So you imagine if I'm going to craft an email, I might say, hey, look, a lot of industrial manufacturing orgs that I work with, these industry, we're calling it 4.0 tech, right? And you've been trying to do IoT, but including that with AI and machine learning is going to have a big impact on your ability to produce more with less. Let's set up a conversation. Then you go to the next one. Hey, look, I know you're probably thinking about ways to automate or use robotics to improve efficiencies and reduce labor costs. Let's have a conversation. So my friends, if you are trying to book more meetings, I have your cheat code, and it's ChatGPT. Go do it. Go type in trends in sales software if you sell to selling software companies, trends in oil and gas. It doesn't matter. If you are looking for the hook, you're looking for that little interesting nugget to get more meetings, my friends, ChatGPT is where it's at. So make sure, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing more of these videos, and we will see you all on the next one.